The BOSTITCH 2 Tool and Compressor Combo Kit are ideal for interior and exterior finishing and trimming projects for a variety of crafts like furniture, cabinets, and staircases. It features a 150 max PSI 6.0 gallon tank, 22.7 L, and 2.6 SCFM** delivered at 90 psi pump, which enables long tool runtime with quick recovery. The compressor features a long-life oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. It has a BOSTITCH high-efficiency motor for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application, 14 GA or larger, 50 feet. 15.2 meters, or less. At only 78.5 dBA operational noise level, it offers you a quiet work environment. The SB1850BN18 Gobbrad nailer drives 1/8 GA brad nails from 5/8 to 2 inches. SB1664FN16 GA straight finish nailer drives 16 GA straight finish nails from 1-1/4 to 2-1/2. 1/4 by 15 feet. PVC air hose with fittings is included. Includes 1 6-gallon Pancake Compressor, 1 1/8 GA 2 inches brad nailer, 1 2-1/2 1/6 GA straight finish nailer, 1 25 feet air hose. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. BTFP2KIT 6 gallons 150 psi 2.6 SCFM Pancake Compressor with a high-efficiency motor. Number 2. Brad nailer drives 1/8 GA brad nails from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches for a wide variety of applications. Number 3. 16 GA straight finish nailer drives 1 1/4 to 2 1/2 inch, 16 gauge finish nails. Number 4. 1/4 of an inch by 25 feet PVC air hose with fittings. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Made in the USA? Answer. This set is manufactured in the USA. Question number 2. Can I use round head nails of 1 1/2 inch? Answer. No, this is a finish and brad nailer. You can use 1, 12 and 16 GA finish nails and 1-1/2 and 18 GA brad nails. Question number 3. Will this work for a paint sprayer? Answer. No, the compressor is not recommended for paint spraying. A larger tank compressor would be recommended. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.